Welcome to Binary Robotics. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to achieve the perfect internal coating for your pipes using cutting-edge methods. Step 1. Surface preparation. Ensure that the internal surface of pipe is clean and free of any debris or rust. This can be achieved by performing internal pipe blasting, which removes any contaminants and prepares the surface for coating. Achieving appropriate surface profile according to the standards is crucial for proper adhesion of the coating. As internal areas of pipes are not easily accessible, blasting a pipe using an automatic internal pipe blasting system with control unit is necessary to achieve the best quality. Step 2. Coating. Coating application is one of the most critical parts that contributes to the life of the pipe. The internal coating must be uniform throughout the pipe, without any defects like cracking, flaking and sagging, among others. Coating is usually done by airless spray painting. However, to achieve uniform coating with accurate thickness throughout the pipe, it is important to use automatic internal pipe coating system with a control unit along with airless spray pump. Step 3. Inspection. Wet film thickness of the coating can be checked with appropriate tool as soon as the pipe is coated. After the coating is cured, inspections can be performed according to the NACE, SSPC, or ISO standards like checking the dry film thickness, adhesion test and holiday test, among others. And there you have it. A perfectly coated pipe ready for use. Using these advanced methods, you can ensure the longevity and efficiency of your pipelines. For more information, contact us.